Okay. This is Cento. He's learning to eat yogurt. And watch how much he loves it. Okay. It is an acquired taste, Cento. Hey, Vinny. Boy's named Vinny. Don't eat yogurt, he said. Oh, that's the... I don't want any more. Hand flapping.
You try. This is much better. You try that.
You. It's called yogurt. It's called yogurt. You're gonna love it.
Is it all
Yes, here
a
it goes.
close up on his face? Because it's so funny.
I know. I bet the.
What do you think about that?
Oh, that would just smile. Okay, one more bite. Oh, I don't want it. Look at the eyes blink. Oh, yes, Cento. Okay, that's a cute.
Okay, one more.
Come on, Vinny. Come on.
Take a big bite.
Yeah, oh, no. I'm not. Look at that puppy. Oh, my God. Oh, I know. Oh, that look, he saved me. Look at the eyes. Oh. Oh. Beat the mother off with a spoon. No more yogurt.